Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai i10 Go. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connection for MP3 devices, satellite navigation, along with air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, and cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a very quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history, but if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.